In this section, we'll review the Retirement Planning tab. This tab is designed to help you track retirement savings goal. It includes your total retirement savings goal, monthly retirement contribution, remaining retirement savings goal, and current savings. The Retirement Savings Goal table is where you'll enter your retirement savings objective. Let's set up a new retirement savings goal. First, enter the goal amount, which is the total amount you want for your retirement. Then, input the monthly contribution goal. For this example, we'll allocate $500 per month towards our retirement fund. If you have some money to start with, enter it in the Initial Retirement Savings Funds field. Let's say we have $15,000 to begin with. If you don't have any initial savings, that's fine too. Just enter 0 in that field. The remaining columns will automatically populate, showing the amount left to save, the number of months it will take to reach your goal, and the projected date when you'll achieve your retirement savings goal. That wraps up our review of the Retirement Planning tab. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.